So go on, Susie, what products would you recommend for cleaning the inside of a motorhome?
You not been in it again.
Me not allowed in?
Yeah.
No, like, that's one way I suppose.
Degreaser, that's what you need.
Right. What sort of degreaser is it?
Degreaser.
Is it one of them bottles there?
Yeah.
Show us one, let's have a look.
Mr. Muscle.
Mr. Muscle.
Degreaser.
Are you being paid by Mr. Muscle?
No, no.
Come on, you're joking. So that's your recommendation for cleaning the inside of a motorhome, just don't allow me into it again.
Polish and not you in it.
Right. Cheers for that.
You're welcome.
A minute, love. You're doing a complete spring clean of the van?
Yeah, I know. And if it doesn't stay like this, I'll murder you. How about
No, I'll keep it clean, love. That ceiling looks beautiful. I like your door mosaic.
All your crap is going out.
I don't have crap, I have essential...
What are you holding them for then?
I've no idea.
Well, exactly.
I have essential products only.
Yeah, right.
Everything you find in this van, it's got an essential use.
Yeah, and everything.
And that was
in the right place.
That was tomato sauce, love.
Yeah, and it's in the wrong place.
It just might come in handy. I got it from Burger King and I kept it for now.
Place. All right.
Alright, love.
So I'll just rearrange everything.
Well, there you go. Some fabulous tips on cleaning the inside of your motorhome. Don't let your husband in it. Is that right, Susie?
Yeah.
Yep, don't let the husband in. And job's a good one.
Otherwise you have to do grease everywhere.
Otherwise you have to do grease it all, she says.
Greasy hands and...
I'm not as clean. I'll learn to be cleaner, Susie.
Well, you won't get in it again because I'll take keys off you. How about that?
No problem.